Shocking news. Ripple XRP has failed case against SEC. U.S. Representative Brad Sherman recently advised the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, to go after crypto exchanges that supported Ripple's XRP token. However, in a recent interaction with Fox Business journalist Eleanor Tourette, Sherman made another claim against the token. Welcome to the Finance Up channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end, to like and subscribe. On September 19th, the XRP community is waiting for important statements, since according to the court schedule, a limited edited motion for a summary judgment is expected to be published. As expectations grow ahead of this date, James K. Phelan shared what the public can see. He stated in a chain of tweets that only edited versions of the summaries will be visible on September 19th. The ongoing process between the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and Ripple has entered the long-awaited phase of making a final decision. Both parties have recently submitted petitions regarding the proceedings. Meanwhile, before the decisive trial begins, lawyer James Phelan said what the public can expect from the next court decision in the XRP case on Monday, September 19, 2022. The defendants SEC and Ripple submitted a joint proposal on schedule. District Judge Torres approved the proposal. The presented plan seems very specific as to what documents will be made public in the case of XRP. However, it also mentions a fixed date for its disclosure. According to Phelan's lawyer, an edited version of the submitted summaries will be published on September 19, 2022. The public will not be able to receive actual declarations and documents. He stressed that these documents will eventually arrive after a decision is made on the briefing on secrecy. The lawyer said that the submitted notes will be long. However, links and quotations from declarations and exhibits will be visible. However, the actual documents will not be disclosed until a decision is made at the classified briefing regarding the sealing in the XRP case. Meanwhile, Phelan suggested that a court decision on Dober's pending motion for sealing is possible. He added that this directly overlaps the issues of sealing the final court decision. According to the expert, this can certainly affect the schedule. The lawyer also refused the expected terms. However, Third Party B submits a motion to amend the application of Third Party B filed by the Commission in the XRP case. This is an appendix to the Securities and Exchange Commission's proposal for the proposed solution. He mentioned that in the Second Circuit, the district courts apply a three-part analysis to determine whether memoranda should be sealed. The Chamber of Digital Commerce officially wants to join the case of Ripple v. SEC, and submits a petition to the court for amicus status, friend of the court. The Chamber of Digital Commerce, the world's leading blockchain trading organization, is requesting permission to file a summary opinion as part of Ripple's ongoing lawsuit against the SEC. According to the request addressed to Judge Annalisa Torres, the Chamber of Commerce and Industry attached copies of the amicus brief, a memorandum of law, in a statement by Lilia Tesler, the organization's lawyer. The Chamber of Digital Commerce noted that its interest in filing an amicus application as part of the lawsuit stems from its commitment to promoting the development of digital assets in the blockchain industry. Although it cannot establish whether the sale of XRP is a security, the Chamber said it is interested in providing clarity on the legal framework for the digital assets underlying the investment contract. Maintaining this distinction is crucial to creating a predictable legal environment through a technology-neutral precedent, which this court has the authority to do, the Chamber of Digital Commerce noted. The Chamber of Digital Commerce stated that it should be granted permission to file an amicus brief in a lawsuit due to its extensive experience in dealing with the application of U.S. securities laws in the blockchain space. In addition, the association stated that its request should be satisfied, since it occupies a unique position in the event that it is not associated with any of the parties in the lawsuit. Unexpectedly for everyone, Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission publicly filed petitions for summary trial over the weekend, although they were expected only today, September 19, 2022. Breaking. Ripple Labs, Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson file motion for summary judgment seeking judgment as a matter of breaking. SEC files motion for summary judgment. The parties filed the petition separately in the Southern District of New York. The SEC built its argument on the premise that buying XRP in a joint venture makes the cryptocurrency an investment contract, that is, a security that should be regulated by U.S. securities laws. In addition, the SEC claimed that Ripple lured many investors to buy XRP, making them believe that they would make huge profits in the future, thereby implying that the cryptocurrency is a security. On the contrary, the defendants, Ripple, Chris Larsen and Brad Garlinghouse, said that regulators could not prove that investors bought XRP, relying on the company to help them make a profit, since there was no agreement. According to Ripple's lawyers, token holders usually profit from the asset due to the forces of supply and demand. Based on this, XRP holders have no right to claim profits from Ripple. In addition, they cannot accuse the company of any violation if it does not profit from XRP, Ripple added. Ripple executives and observers of the case have already expressed their opinion on the petitions filed. According to Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, it is obvious that the SEC is not interested in applying the law in this case, adding, they want to redo everything in an unacceptable attempt to expand their jurisdiction far beyond the powers granted to them by Congress. Today's filings make it clear the SEC isn't interested in applying the law. They want to remake it all in an impermissible effort to expand their jurisdiction far beyond the authority granted to them by Congress. Ripple General Counsel Stuart Alderoty also commented on the developments, saying that the SEC has not yet identified any investment contracts after 2 years of litigation. The SEC cannot satisfy a single point of the Supreme Court's Howey test. Everything else is just noise, Alderoty added. The day is finally here. Our motion for summary judgment is public. You can view it here. Similarly, attorney Jeremy Hogan, a partner at the law firm Hogan Hogan, said that the Securities and Exchange Commission is now in big trouble after a recently filed motion for summary judgment. I just read the summaries, and the SEC has a couple of big problems. 1. Her expert agrees that most of the changes in the price of XRP are due to market forces, not Ripple. The Securities and Exchange Commission has failed to record that any of the XRP buyers have heard Ripple's alleged marketing pitch, a big problem because it has the burden of proving everything here. Video tomorrow. I just read the briefs and the SEC has got a couple big problems. 1. Its expert agrees that most of the changes in XRP price are due to market forces and not Ripple. Ouch. These types of concessions are perfect for summary judgment. Next court dates. Ripple has almost a month to file an objection to this set of petitions, and it is expected that the summaries of objections will arrive by October 18. It is expected that the answers to them will be received by November 15, by which time all the briefings will be completed, and the judge will wait for the final decision of Torres. James K. Phelan predicts that on March 31, 2023 or earlier, Judge Torres will simultaneously make a decision on the petitions of experts in the decision in summary proceedings. The current price of XRP for today you can see yourself on the screens, and the trading volume for 24 hours is $1,294,436,065 US. We are updating our XRP price in US dollars in real time. XRP has dropped 4.08% in the last 24 hours. Do you think XRP will be able to win the court and restore its former price? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.